Welcome to Vlog 18. We've come back to the St. George, Utah area to knock out a few more hikes we missed in vlog number 15. A chilly day of hiking as we take a break at a partially frozen stream. We are currently on the Vortex Trailhead, also known as the Bowl. The Vortex hike is 2.3 miles out and back with an elevation gain of roughly 520 feet. We cross the stream and the views begin to open up. Part of the trail reminded me of a snake's skin. We quickly gain elevation on the petrified sand dunes. The vortex is up on the ridge Marie is pointing to. Some of the hike takes a bit of route finding. We head towards that direction and work our way up. The first bowl we checked out wasn't that deep. A short distance from the first bowl is the bigger vortex we came to see.
Oh yeah, I'm not getting out of that if I fall in.
Nestled into the swirling sandstone is a frozen bowl of water.
They got carvings down there.
Deep.
How do you even get out?
You gotta walk on the side.
You get stuck. I think a lot of people get stuck.
No, don't do it. Yeah, I'm going.
It's pretty easy if you just follow that one little line that he's on.
I'm making you more nervous.
Kind of like when we were sitting on the edge of that cliff. That's on like if it's really wet around here, which doesn't happen for you.
15 miles south of the Vortex Trailhead is the Anasazi Valley Trailhead. We went out on a search for petroglyphs along the cliff walls. The petroglyphs are on a hilltop overlooking the Santa Clara River. It was fun to search for them and try to decipher what they meant to portray. The petroglyphs are in amazing shape. They are thousands of years old and are from different tribes that used to inhabit the area. Some clan symbols can be seen pegged into the rocks. Thank you for coming along the journey with us. If you enjoyed the video, please like, comment, and subscribe. See you on the next one.